Hello, we hope you've enjoyed your initial experiences with Synergy, Tacoma Public Schools' new innovative student information system. As I'm sure you're aware, ParentVUE is an ideal platform for communicating with your students' teachers, reporting absences, and monitoring your students' grades and progress on their coursework. Along with the launch of Synergy, this year we've implemented updated grading practices. I'd like to take a moment to walk you through what you can expect to see as you're monitoring your students' progress. Grading provides opportunities for students, families, teachers, and other district staff to dialogue and engage around evidence of student learning and growth. Student grading and report cards are communication tools that encourage students, teachers, and families to value an individual student's learning, uniqueness, and complexity. As you begin reviewing your students' grades, the first thing you'll likely notice is that all assignments are scored on a 0 to 4 scale. A key point to understand is that the score your student earns on an assignment is not a value out of 4 that can be turned into a percentage of correct answers. In other words, a 3 out of 4 does not equal 75%. Instead, a score of 3 refers to a GPA value which correlates to a letter grade. In this case, a 3 would earn a B on the assignment. You will see similar values assigned to individual assignments and overall grades. With all that said, you're probably wondering why a percentage is displayed under the GPA valued score your student earned. Do us a favor, just ignore it. Our innovative approach to grading is requiring some customization and synergy. This is currently in process and will be remedied as soon as possible. But for now, please know the percents displayed play no part in your student's grade and is not an accurate indicator of their performance. A 2.3 indicates a C plus earned, not a 57%. Please take a moment to pause the video and familiarize yourself with Tacoma's secondary grade reporting scale. Please note, students attending an International Baccalaureate or IB school are assessed on a 0 to 8 scale in accordance with IB requirements. Students learn at different rates. Therefore, students will be allowed to retake, revise, or item correct past formative and summative work once per assignment or assessment. Students can retake, revise, or item correct any assignment or assessment within the first 10 school days after receiving a grade or feedback, regardless of the original grade. Teachers may require that students provide reasonable evidence of learning before reassessment, including but not limited to correcting errors from previous work or assessments. It's important for your student to initiate the conversation with their teacher when they plan to utilize a reassessment opportunity. For additional information, please visit the link below to view the details of the grading policy or reach out to your student's teacher or administration. We appreciate your partnership as we strive to educate every student every day.